Hello friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to withdraw ERC20 from HYCM. And friends, please note that you will also need to add your ERC wallet to your account. To do this, click on My Profile. And by clicking on Add Crypto, Wallet, or Add e-wallet, you can add your desired wallet. You click on Fund Management, and then on Withdrawals. And in this section, you select your account, deposit the desired amount, and finally, click on Submit. And note that our withdrawal is only through ERC20. And after confirming the information, you click Confirm. And then you will be reviewed. And friends, to check your transaction history, you click on Fund Management and then on Transactional Statement. In this section, you select your desired date. And as you can see, our withdrawal has been successfully completed. Good luck.